Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on Wayholic. Today I will show you how to set up quick gestures on your CMF Watch Pro 2. As you may know, the original CMF Watch Pro did not have quick gestures. Nothing introduced them in the CMF Watch Pro 2. Quick gestures are typically found in higher-end smartwatches, yet this watch is priced just at $69. Let's find out if its quick gesture functionality matches up with those found in premium watches. Let's start with the setup. This is my CMF Watch Pro 2. Press the crown button and scroll down. Tap on Settings. Now scroll again. I use the crown button for navigation because it's easier for me. Now tap on Quick Gestures. Enable the Quick Gestures toggle button. The watch will prompt you to enable Wake on Wrist Raise. For quick gestures to work, this needs to be enabled. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Once enabled, you will see two gesture options. Rotate your wrist once and shake your arm. Next, you need to select the action you want to perform with these gestures. Tap on the gesture option. I tap on Rotate your wrist. Now perform the gesture according to the guide shown on screen. Available options are Call, Music Control, Take a Photo, or open an app from options like Calculator, Voice Assistant, Weather, Exercise, Stress, Blood Oxygen. Select the actions according to your preference. I am choosing Exercise for rotate your wrist gestures because I work out daily. For the other, I am selecting Voice Assistant. Now quick gesture setup is complete and is ready to use. But before this, I request you to subscribe to Wayholic. Now let's test it out. First, I will rotate my wrist. As expected, it opens the Exercise app. Now, let's shake the arm. Perfect, it opens up the Voice Assistant. Both gestures are working fine. Now, let's go over some limitations of the quick gesture feature, and these limitations are important to remember when you're using quick gestures on your CMF Watch Pro 2. Gestures won't work when the watch is in Do Not Disturb mode, power saving mode, or during sleep, or when the watch is in always on display watch face. Each gesture can be set to perform only one action. Call related functions only respond to the incoming call screen. Music control gestures only respond when you're on the music or exercise screen. Photo functions only respond when you're on the remote camera screen. If we compare the quick gestures of the CMF Watch Pro 2 with premium watches, there's no doubt that premium watches perform much better. They offer more gesture options and have fewer limitations. If you want to know more about the CMF Watch Pro 2, then tap on the I button to watch a dedicated video on that topic. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please support us by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.